JakeTheStockGuy.com. Let's get right into today's video. Today, a total loss of $243. What a shitty day it was. Should have been an easy $2,000 day, and I'm really pissed off about the execution for today. Now, my problem was I slept in and I woke up only 30 minutes before the market. Now, these are not excuses. I'm just telling you, hey guys, you want to have a good green day? Wake the fuck up before the market opens. Get up. I had been going a little too hard, too many days. Finally had to crash. Nothing I could really do about it. My body was just pretty run down and I needed to sleep. So I slept. Anyway, we're going to get right into the video. Hey, if you're new to the channel, be sure to like the video, thumbs up or thumbs down. Just engage with me. Let me know where you're from, what your name is, how long you've been trading. Ask me a question. I'm happy to answer them. I want to know how I can help you. If you are new to the channel, you may want to consider subscribing, clicking the subscribe button and the notification bell icon. So that's going to notify you every time I post a new video. I'm documenting the small account challenge so I can show you guys just what's possible with a small account. I want to show you that you can take a small account and you can make it into a big account and you can make a living off of that big account. So that's part of why I'm doing this. My goal is to really show you guys what's possible through options trading and day trading. You can go to our Twitter account right here, the hyperlinks, the Instagram account, and the Facebook fan page. You can go to www.jakethestockguy.com. Again, that's jakethestockguy.com. We offer a 14-day free trial. So that 14-day free trial is going to be right under products right here. We also have a free daily newsletter where we post option swing trade ideas and stock option ideas, but this is the link right here under products, option alerts. This is the link you go to try your free 14-day trial. But thanks again, guys, if you are subscribing and hitting that notification bell. I really do appreciate it. So let's get right to today's video. Negative $243 loss, and it should have been a $2,430 day. But I am so upset, guys. You have no idea. Today was like, just pissed me off so bad. So let's go through my watch list. And I missed Google, which is like, it was a heavenly trade. I mean, it was just so good, this trade. This made people millionaires today. This one trade made millionaires. I had no idea it would go so high, actually. Just climbed all day long. Couldn't predict it would go all the way to 29. But I mean, it went all the way past. I mean, it created an all-time high, I think. And then we had a little bit of a pullback. So zoom in a little bit, go back to let me zoom out and then zoom back in, go out to the 10-day time frame. But yeah, all-time highs. A little pull back to the retest area. So we'll see if we can keep it going. I don't know if Google's got enough gas. On the weekly, it sure looks like it. On the daily, it sure looks like it does. But yeah, we closed. Did we close below all-time highs? We closed right on it. I mean, it's pretty arguable. It's like, based on what I'm seeing, I think 3,000 is in the cards. But or 3,100. If it's a real breakout, If it's a real breakout, then we'll see. Just trying to zero that bar out. There we go. It's a shame too. I saw Google. I thought about taking Google. I ignored it. I ignored the signs, guys, because I don't trade it often, and it's got crazy spread. Like, look at the spread on this stock really quick. It's big, you know. Look from the ask to the bid. Well, yeah, not bad, but man, what a trade. AMD, same thing. I was watching it this morning. You guys can see here, I posted it on the private Slack group. This is where we post alerts. This is where I post my alerts and watch lists every day. I have a small team of pro traders that work with me. We enjoy what we do. It's a lot of fun, but yeah, Microsoft was a great trade. Guy made 60%. Guy made 1,700. I should have made $2,000. I said AMD. I will pretend I didn't miss it. AFRM. So yeah, I wrote UPST, Microsoft, and then watching AFRM. It's funny too because I wrote right here this morning on watch Microsoft, UPS, AMD. Now UPS, I was thinking because we're right there underneath all-time highs. So, well, hey, why not send it up? But it's interestingly enough kind of holding this area of support. But this was all-time highs right here. Just like couldn't get above it. You know, and then what happened was we had this like, okay, so it started selling off, opened, went to kiss this 50-day simple moving average on the 5-minute time frame, and then it was just really bearish, just all the way down, pretty much close to this next area of support, and then we got like this bounce, and then chop sideways, and then all the way down, bounced again, double bottom, and up and sideways. So we could be going down to fill this gap right here. So we will see. This is very possible, you know, it's very possible. Microsoft, great trade for any of those who took it. I teach a lot the 5-minute time frame and the 50 SMA. So yeah, right off that 50 SMA. In fact, actually, you can zoom in here. Let me blow this up for you guys so you can see a little bit better my screen. So yeah, so you can take this away, and I'm gonna kind of try and show you something here. So like up, pull back, touch it, up, pull back. Almost touched it pre-market, and then boom, we're off. Up, sideways, up. Just kept going, you know. I drew this line up here before the market opened. So I was not expecting it to go like all the way up to 225.86. What a great trade. It broke out of the year to date. I'll show you guys, it broke out of this channel. So we could, yeah, could go high. Could go to 350. Honestly, guys, could go to 350. Maybe a retest, maybe a pullback to the retest of this channel breakout, and then up to 350. Because now it's above the channel, so you know puts would be a good area, but we could get some kind of a blow off top. See how it did it back here on this one? Here's a great example, guys. Got above the channel, pulled back, bounced, boom, down, and she went. So Microsoft is setting up for a good swing trade put here. Not quite touched the 99, or sorry, not quite touched the upper area on the RSI. So when's the last time it touched it? Right here. and right here. That's weird because then it just kind of kept going up. Interesting. Microsoft, it's it's the FANG stocks, so it's Facebook, Apple, Microsoft, Google, and then I posted. Let me minimize that. UPS, Microsoft. Yeah, so this trade just killed it. This 300% trade right here. AMD, I'm not feeling it anymore, which is a shame because AMD was just a quick instant jackpot trade on the 5-minute time frame. If I go to the 10-day on the 5-minute, not the year-to-date time frame, you can see here we got this just golly, we just got this incredible blow off top trade right here. Boom. Just 5-minute, 10-minute, all the way up to that 127. Well, it really went to 128. But that was a very, very fast trade. Pretty much up here. Kind of where I was expecting it to go to, honestly. So we'll be on the watch tomorrow. I mean, that was a great call, great put, call. Kind of want to be done within the first hour of the market of the day. And then what else did I call? Yeah, AFRM. We had a nice yeah, it was a good trade, It was a good trade. Buying this at the open, kind of go you can kind of make one of these, kind of falling wedge. All you guys need to know is your 50-day simple moving average, RSI, stochastic, 50-day simple moving average on the 5-minute time frame, and then you gotta know candlestick patterns and support resistance levels, historical support resistance levels, not just up close and personal. You want to know kind of on the year-to-date historical, where are the big key levels here of support and resistance. So let me zoom back in here. Yeah, AFRM on watch for tomorrow too. This guy's a crazy stock. This thing just goes. But yeah, this is a great 5-minute trade. 5-minute, 10, 20, 5, 10, 15, 20. 20-minute trade. And you can use, if I just go out a little bit, say the 15-minute, and then zoom out a little bit. Yeah, so you can see here where I got this line from, which is kind of for today's price action, we got right about to here, which is a good area of support resistance. So it's good to trade on the laptop because you kind of want to see previous data so you know where's the next level of support resistance coming. Resistance, boom, sell. So it's just about getting up early, guys, and trading. So, I called it. AMD, Microsoft, UPS didn't work. But if you can see here how many people are green for the day. Let's see here. 28 green, 13 red. Looks like a lot of them took that UPS trade blindly. So, look, if you're going to take a trade, look, I talk about this in my options master class, and I also talk a lot about this in the group, in the private Slack. But if you're going to take a trade of my 3 watch list, you need to watch what it's doing pre-market price action. That's always a good tall tale sign. Keep an eye on that, guys. It's always going to help you. Tomorrow's a new day. Live to fight another day. Keep your losses small. Keep your wins big. Let's come back tomorrow and really hit it hard. Thanks so much for being a member, guys. I really do appreciate it. God bless, and I'll see you on the charts.